Maybe we don't watch that. This morning, an Activision Blizzard employee named Christine spoke up about ongoing issues she faced within the company, including unwanted sexual advances, cube crawls? Does anyone know what a cube crawl is? Being inappropriately touched and being invited to have sex with supervisors. What the fuck?
I have worked at Blizzard Entertainment, a division of Activision, for over 4 years. I still work here.
She still works there?
I didn't want to have to be up here doing this. But we need to make major changes at Activision Blizzard. Working at Blizzard was my dream job. When I first heard about all the talented people working at Blizzard, I knew that was somewhere I wanted to work and somewhere I could excel in my career.
So many people feel this way, whether it's Blizzard or Riot.
I was so excited to be a part of a community that seemed to care so much about their employees. Unfortunately, that didn't happen for me. Since I've been employed at Blizzard, I've been subjected to rude comments about my body, unwanted sexual advances, inappropriately touched, subjected to alcohol-infused team events and cube crawls, invited to have casual sex with my supervisors, and surrounded by a frat boy culture that's detrimental to women. When I complained to my supervisors, I was told they were just joking and that I should get over it. I began to remove myself from work events to avoid all the sexual comments and groping. I was told not to go to HR.
I was told not to go to HR. Wow, she literally listed all, like, exactly all those things. Okay, so I guess cube crawls are when people crawl under your cubicle to look up at your screen. That's so disgusting. Literally the reason HR exists. But what you don't know is actually the reason HR exists is typically not for the employee's benefit. It's for the employer's benefit to make sure they don't get sued. Who's funding HR? Also, HR likely ain't gonna do shit. No matter how nice of a person the individual working at HR is, yeah, HR is just a lawsuit prevention. So, I mean, we wish. Grown men, by the way. Those are some oversized fucking babies. So, are we boycotting Blizzard or what? I just want to see if we're on the same page here. Overwatch to who? If they come out with any new games, bet I don't know what they are. I don't know who they are. Bro, fuck Blizzard. As disgusting as everything that's come out about them is, it's also, is it just me or is it kind of embarrassing that they haven't properly remedied it even to this point? You know what I mean? It's like, this shit has been out. Like, it's been. So now you're not only like a frat boy, misogynistic, sexually inappropriate culture and company, you're also just bad at business and PR. So I'm a grown man and I would never ever in a million years treat a woman that way. I would also not tolerate that type of behavior around me either. I think this is the most important part. I think a lot of people feel this way, but not everybody would be so ready as to stand up against this type of behavior if they see it themselves. Wasn't able to start Overwatch since. Have uninstalled it. Oh my god, good for you. No, legit, when I see stuff like this, especially when you can put a person's face to the actions and like you hear them breaking up over even just describing the things that they've gone through, I genuinely don't think they know how anyone who can make change is likely guilty. They don't want change. What do you think of the streamer who still streams their games? I think if you are a financially well-off streamer, you just fucking shouldn't. However, I do understand that some people may be in a situation where their financial, like, their income is heavily based around a Blizzard game, but I think in that case, they should still be extremely vocal about how they're against this if they're still going to play their games. I can't get "It's time for the torculator" stuck in my head. Oh my god. Good loud. I'm not gonna stop playing their games if that's what makes me money, if they can take care of it in the courtroom. No, they need to take care of it outside the courtroom. It's not just about settling with the people who have been hurt by their actions. It's also about making sure that this isn't a repeat issue. What's gonna replace PS5 in the background? Maybe new PS5? Hey, yo, maybe. As someone who is trying to get in the industry, the Blizzard situation just makes me wonder how many companies do the same. Especially because there have been a lot... I don't know. There have been a lot of talks about stuff like that, haven't there? It's time for the torculator. It's time for the torculator. It's time for the torculator. Honestly, if you're a woman, you've been through this kind of thing, my heart goes out to you. Just know there are still loving and good men out there looking out for you. Facts, no printer. Facts, no printer. The thing is, even our female manager downplay old ass men grabbing teenagers' thighs. Even other young people downplay it. Yo. The misogyny does not, what's the word? Not differentiate. Chat, what's the word? Discriminate. Misogyny does not discriminate. The amount of girls that I've met that hate girls deep down, I'm like, girl.
In school recently and nothing makes my day better than getting home and busting a fat one on my monitor every day after watching the stream.
Wait, hold on a second. Did anyone fucking ask? Because I didn't ask. Hold on. Mimi, did you ask? Did you? I don't think she asked. Chat, did any of y'all ask? Aw, she started purring in my hands and now I can't put her down. Hey, Bo. Hey, Bo. Damn, I brushed her yesterday and she still shed so much. I love you.